Hello, this is Jason, the speaker today for introduction of the theme of the supernova. Almost everybody knows that the supernova is a process of a period of stars. But however, what's the definition of supernova exactly? Where are they from? What will be happened many years later to supernova? Well, let's begin with those non-universal questions. First of all, the supernova is a massive explosion produced by the star that is going to die. For our galaxy, there will be a supernova every 100 years. During the explosion of supernova formation, it throws out the matters violently into universe. Meanwhile, emits light as bright as the whole galaxy for a short period of time. Next, I'd like to start from the stars. Stars are giant nuclear reactors that fuse hydrogen into helium and produce energy. Ultimately, when the hydrogen is used out, they further fuse helium to make heavier elements such as iron, nickel, and cobalt. The core of stars shrinks, with an outer layer expanding, and create a red giant one. It is red giant star that takes matters from surrounding planets. When helium is also depleted for a small star, the fusion will just end in small stars like our Sun, and then becomes a white dwarf, then fades away. For large star, the core will collapse within few seconds, making the temperature achieve or exceed 100 billion Fahrenheit degrees. Also, the outer layer collapses as well, causing massive outward explosion, which is just known as what we talk about today, the supernova. The supernova generates energy to fuse elements heavier than iron, gold, silver, even uranium, and other highly atomic elements. Then, the matters left in core becomes a dense neutron star. Or a black hole. After the supernova, those materials held in the explosion form nebulae. It is the massive interstellar combination of gas and dust. Over millions of years, gravity will gather those nebulous matters together into a hot, dense core named protostar. And also, via a series of evolution, protostar eventually come to newborn star. Then the gravitation of newborn stars affects the nebular material around to form comets, asteroids, and planets. And it is just the very cycle that a supernova may experience generally. Okay, that's all from me today. Thank you for your watching. Looking forward to see you next time. Goodbye.